Life is full of choices. Some are easier to make than others. But the right choices lead to the right results. We're committed to a never-ending quest to provide the world's best coffee, from seed to cup. We believe that every cup of coffee tells a story. It's our job to make the right choices so that our coffee tells a great one. We decided a long time ago to source only the highest quality beans from responsibly farmed regions where the workers are fairly compensated. To do that, we have built relationships directly with the farmers to ensure we're getting the finest product on the market. We made the choice to roast all our coffee in-house to order. That way we can guarantee the quality, flavor, consistency, and freshness that our customers have come to expect from us. All our roast masters go through years of training and development. Some longer than they'd like to admit. But there's no machine that can replace the human palate. That being said, we roast coffee and blend tea for every taste. We offer single origin specialty blends and flavored coffees. That way you have a coffee fit for any mood or occasion. We believe that a good cup of coffee has the power to change your day, making everyday moments that much better. Over the years, we've had the opportunity to partner with amazing companies, small and large. We're blessed to be able to support our local communities and the men and women who serve our great country. There are definitely easier ways of doing things. But at the end of the day, we can rest easy, knowing that the choices we've made for over 30 years make your choice easy.